Hi, good day. This is Joylyn again. Captain's Mix and Magic. This is Captain's Joylyn. You can also find me on Instagram. Just punch in Captain's Joylyn and you'll find me. Nag-promise po ako before I'll be making a conversion factor, like how to convert recipes. Say if you have a recipe using 4 eggs and then you only have 3 eggs pero all the other ingredients meron naman kayo. So kung hindi naman kayo makalabas, gagamitin nyo is 3 eggs lang talaga. What is the conversion, or how are you going to get the quantity ng ibang ingredients? Halimbawa po, ganito yung recipe. Recipe for, say, vanilla cake. Sample po. This will need, let's say, 300 ml evap, 4 eggs, tapos 200 ml vegetable oil, and then 500 grams all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon or 15 ml of vanilla extract, extract, and then 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Example po, yan yung recipe. Okay, just an example. Tapos it called for 4 eggs, tas meron kayo 3 eggs lang. So, pag tatlo yung lang yung itlog, ilang evap, ilang oil, ilang flour, ilang extract, ilang baking soda, ilang baking powder yung gagamitin. So, yung gagawin natin is what we call conversion factor. Conversion factor. Okay? So, to get it, you have the target yield over the old yield. Okay? So, ngayon, meron tayong target na pang 3 itlog lang as opposed sa dating 4 na itlog lang. Okay? So, divide it like 3 divided by 4. Ang conversion factor is 0.75. So, yung value na to, 0.75, yan ang iyong multiplier. Meaning, i-multiply mo siya sa lahat ng values na nandito. So, 300 times 0.75, ang bagong value ng evap na kailangan mong i-measure is 225. So, multiply it all, lalabas 150 yung vegetable oil. The flour is going to be 375. And then 3/4 tablespoon, 3/4 tablespoon, and 3/4 tablespoon. So, yan po. So, hindi na po kayo mamamroblema kung halimbawa 3 lang yung itlog nyo. It's also the same if ever dadamihan nyo naman. Let's say, meron kayong 6 na itlog. Gusto nyo gamitin na siya lahat. So, it's the same thing. The target yield is 6 over 4. That is 6 divided by 4. It's 1.5. 1.5 ngayon ang magiging multiplier nyo for this. And that's going to be 400 50 na evap. Which is why maganda pong metric yung measurements ninyo, ml or grams. Like for this one, the smaller ones, pwede yan mga by tablespoon, teaspoon. Pero it's advisable na yung malalaking quantity ng ingredients nyo, it's in metric system. So for 200 ml, that's going to be 300 ml. Yung 500 grams, magiging 750. Yan, tapos 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. This one is for 1 1/2 recipe kasi 1.5. This one is for 3/4 recipe kasi 3/4. So, malaking points to remember. Pag may whole number dito, tapos may decimal number dito, it means you are increasing the quantity. Pag 0 yung number ng conversion factor mo, tapos nandito yung digits, like yung kanina, 0.75, it means mababawasan yung quantity ng recipe mo. So, I hope this helps you on your next adjusted recipe. If the recipe is truly standardized, the conversion factor applies. Kasi tried and tested ang recipe nyo. Ngayon, kung nagkakaroon ng point na nagtatansya kayo sa lasa, sample, for recipes like yung ulam, ganyan, it's advisable din na standardize nyo na po yung recipe nyo ng ulam, like yung embutido, lumpia, and ganyan. And if you're going to resell it, it's important na standardized yun para madali nyo rin siyang i-costing. So, this is the video that I'm going to share today, and I hope it really helps you when you do your conversion in quantifying, dequantifying. This is quantified and this is dequantified. Okay? I cannot stress how important standardized recipes are for food businesses. So, this one hopefully helps you pag mag-bulk preparation kayo. Have a nice day! Again, this is Joylene from Captain's Mix and Magic. Feel free to comment or suggest anything that I can cover on the video. So, it's a pretty quick lesson today, and I hope it helps you a lot.